He's doing better than you with it.
You doubted me.
That's just insulting. Why do I even queue
Perm.
after seeing this? You got a sub 10 average first try with it.
Yeah, guaranteed T-perms are that good.
Yeah, you know, like, I mean, are you sick of getting, like, bad cases? With CFTOP, you get one good case per solve. Guaranteed. I got 2 good cases that solve. I'm actually very surprised I'm getting this.
Okay, yeah, right.
Cheaper.
Yeah.
When the competitor is ready.
Wait.
I don't even see you doing the T-perm.
Because he's so good at it.
Yeah, you see, that's the advantage of the method. T-perm is very fast out.
Look, here we go. T-perm.
See how I didn't solve it all?
A T-perm.